Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I just want to show you how I make my version of chicken afritada. So first things to do, I just want to fry all my ingredients as a half cook. After that, at the same pan, I add onion and garlic, also the tomato paste, and I put it back my chicken. I saute it properly. After that, after sauteing, and if you show the tomato paste is the natural color is come out, you add a water. You can add the water in enough portion because this is open measurement. So all my ingredient is open measurement. It depends on you on how to make your own as long you use all my ingredient. And then I add a tomato sauce. After that, I bring it to boil and I put it back. My vegetables include the bell pepper. I add black pepper, also the pinch of sugar. So the taste of sugar, this is the balance or the creation of the balanced taste in this recipe. And my secret is pickles release. You can add the pickles release and then you cover and bring it to boil. Add a little soy sauce to darker the sauce. So this is my chicken afritada. So if you want to use green peas or garbanzos, it's depend on you. So you bring it to boil until the sauce it become thickened. So this is my version. Is very tasty. And then if you add a little what we call this resin, this is amazing taste. This is very delicious. You can try this one. You can estimate the reason because the reason is bringing the sweetness and the sauce. So the sauce, it's depend on you the thickness you like. So in all of my ingredients, you can create your own chicken afritada as long you can estimate all my ingredients because this is the open measurement. Usually guys, the difference of my chicken afritada is only the pickles release and the pasas. You final retouch flavor of granola seasoning.